In the gentle calm of morning, sunlight spills softly into a small home. The walls breathe simplicity, and silence becomes part of its beauty. This is not just a house, it's a story about space, balance, and the quiet art of living simply. Every corner is intentional. A neutral tone sofa rests against clean walls, while soft textures invite you to sit, breathe, and slow down. In small spaces, stillness becomes luxury. Light becomes the main designer. It dances through open windows, painting soft gold on wooden floors, making the room feel larger than it is. The boundaries disappear. The living, dining, and kitchen flow seamlessly, one breath, one rhythm. Space expands through openness, not through walls. A humble kitchen, dressed in wood and white. Every shelf tells a story of restraint, only what is needed remains. Here, function is poetry. A single pendant lamp glows softly above the table. Morning coffee, quiet dinner, shared laughter, the table becomes the heart of the home. Simplicity speaks through color. Beige, white, and soft brown tones whisper calm. The absence of clutter creates room for peace. The bedroom feels like a soft exhale. A bed, a lamp, a whisper of wood, no more, no less. Here, simplicity becomes sanctuary. Every inch matters. Hidden drawers and built-in shelves turn the smallest space into a world of quiet efficiency. Beauty hides in practicality. In a small bathroom, light and glass work together, expanding the illusion of space. Clean lines, clear reflections, calm spirit. Wood, linen, stone, they connect the home to the earth. Each texture feels honest, grounding the space in nature's simplicity. Life into minimalism. A single plant by the window becomes a symbol of calm persistence. A quiet corner, just enough for thought. A wooden desk, soft light, and a window view. Simplicity invites focus. beam of light has a purpose. Soft ambient glow, gentle task lamps, the light sculpts emotion into space. Decor is not about more, it's about meaning. A framed memory, a ceramic bowl, a book, beauty in restraint. Connects you to home. It's the foundation of calm, silent, grounding, eternal. Light walls open the space like air. They reflect sunlight, carrying a sense of freedom in every glance. Even in small spaces, perception matters. A higher ceiling, soft upward lighting, and suddenly, the air feels endless. The secret lies in contrast. Linen meets steel, wood meets glass. Harmony grows in the space between opposites. The doorway whispers welcome. Shoes neatly aligned, a hint of light, a sense of arrival. Simplicity begins at the entrance. A single piece of art on a clean wall speaks louder than a gallery. In simplicity, art has room to breathe. A table that folds, a sofa that hides storage. Design becomes intelligent when space demands creativity. Contrast creates character. The warmth of wood against a sleek surface. Simplicity, defined by balance. As the day moves, so does the light, reshaping the same walls with silent beauty. The house breathes with time. You can hear the calm, the soft hum of air, the rhythm of footsteps in small homes. Every sound becomes presence. As night falls, lamps awaken the warmth within. Golden light fills small corners, turning space into comfort. A mirror reflects not just space, but intention, doubling light, stretching the illusion of openness. Less is not emptiness, it's freedom. Every object kept is chosen, every void has meaning. Movement flows gently, every step guided, every turn effortless. The house feels alive, not confined. It's not about size. It's about how the space makes you feel peaceful, whole, quietly alive. Simplicity is not lack, it's clarity. The home becomes a mirror to the soul, what you keep and what you let go. As the sun sets behind soft curtains, the house glows with quiet grace. Simple, small yet infinite in meaning. Because in simplicity, we find ourselves again.